Hello, my friend. I'm Alex Lyon. Today, we learn the English alphabet. Let's move on to the lesson. Let's look at the letters in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great! Now we'll look at the alphabet using words as examples. Let's begin. A. Apple. B. Bear. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Giraffe. H. House. I. Ice cream. J. Jelly. K. Koala. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Owl. P. Panda. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Tiger. U. Umbrella. V. Volcano. W. Whale. X. Xylophone. Y. Yo-yo. Z. Zebra. Excellent! Good job, my friend! Let's recap. Today, we've covered the entire English alphabet. This concludes our first lesson. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe and like Alex's channel. See you soon!